In this video, I'm going to show you how you could get paid each time somebody clicks on your link. And the interesting part is I'm going to show you a website where you could get thousands of people clicking on your links, which means you're going to be making money on autopilot. If you want to learn what this strategy is and how to go about it, make sure you watch this video to the end. A quick disclaimer: if you don't take actions, you're not going to make any money. If you want to make money from this technique, make sure you put this into practice. Now let's jump right straight into the video. Welcome to Brigxel Biz. Is your guy Ken. On this channel we show you tips, tricks and strategies on how to make money online, and we cover a wide range of topics from affiliate marketing to cryptocurrencies. Okay, so we show you all those techniques that could help you make money online. Okay, now in today's video I'll be showing you how you could make few dollars online. If you're interested, then make sure you watch this video to the last step. Now the first strategy here, or the first step in this technique, would be to come to YouTube. Okay, so you're gonna choose a niche. Okay, so first step, you come to YouTube and make sure you choose a niche. Okay, so you could choose a pet niche, you could choose boxing niche, you could choose the sport niche. Okay, so there are a lot of niches. Okay, you could go with. Okay, if you don't know the niches you could check out, just search that on Google. Okay, niches for making money online. Just search something related to that. You would see a lot of niches you could use for this video. Okay, so for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the pet niche. Okay, you have the tech niche. Okay, the technology niche. So there are a lot of niches. So your goal is to come here to grab a video on one of these niches, and don't worry, you're not going to be uploading this video on YouTube. You're not going to be uploading any video. Okay, so this strategy doesn't have anything to do with uploading videos. Okay, so once we've grabbed the video, for example, here we're gonna search very quickly. This is a video from the sport niche. It has 4.9 million views. It has 4.9 million views. This one has 10 million views. Okay, this one has 10 million views. So you're basically looking for videos that have a lot of views. For example, if you look at this one here, it says animals that do not forget their owner after years. So this is a video now that is related to what I'm looking for, which is a video from the animal niche. So all I'm gonna do is to click this video and copy the link of this video. So all you need to do is to copy the link, this place where I say share. If I click that button, it's going to show me a shareable link. Okay, so this is the link. I'll copy this link, guys. So this is the first step. Now join me as we move on to the next step. Now in this next step, you're going to come to Google and search forums that are related to your niche. Okay, so in this video I'm using the pet niche, so you search something related to pet. Forums related to pet. Okay, so you could type in here pet forums. Okay, so you search that, you're gonna see a lot of forums that are related to the pet niche. Okay, so if you're using the tech niche, you could do that. If you're using the boxing niche, the motivation niche and all those. Okay, so you basically in this step look for forums that are related to your niche. Okay, I found this forum which is related to the niche I am using for this demonstration. Okay, so now this is a website, and this website, for example, gets a lot of views. If we check this on SimilarWeb, now according to the data on SimilarWeb, this website gets over 100,000 visits every month. Okay, and the interesting thing here is that these views come from the United States. Okay, you can see it here, 97.97% of the views come from the United States. You can see it here. Okay, so we have almost all the views here from the United States, and this is exactly what you want to get. Okay, so you can see I have a website here, I have a forum, sorry, that gets a lot of visits from the United States. So that's what you're going to be looking for. You're going to go to Google and make sure you get forums that attract a lot of visitors on a monthly basis. Okay, so the one I am using in this video has over 100,000 people visiting, okay, every month. But there are a lot of forums out there that get a lot of visits monthly in millions. Okay, so you're gonna cool down and then look for those forums. Once you've gotten those forums, depending on your niche, okay, so if you want to go for the animal niche, you could use this one. You could also do deeper research to find more forums that could potentially give you more visits, okay, more than this one I'm using here. Okay, so now once you have your desired forum, now what you would want to do is to create an account on this forum here. Okay, so it depends on the forum you found. Okay, so you create an account on the forum, and then you're gonna make sure you come to the forum and contribute positively to the questions and the threads that are running on the forum. Okay, so that's basically what you're going to be doing. So you might be asking, so what am I gonna do with the link from the video you copied earlier on YouTube? Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you what you're gonna do with that link and how you're gonna use that link on this forum, for example. So now let's move on to the third step, okay, so that I'll show you what you do with that link. Now you're gonna come to this website here, ok.io. okay, I'm gonna show you two websites. This is the first one I'm gonna show you. Okay, the second website is gonna pay you more. Okay, now this website is gonna pay you $5 per 1,000 visits, okay, per 1,000 clicks on that link. Okay, so basically what you're going to do is the link you got from YouTube, the link of that YouTube video, you're gonna come to this website here, ok.io, create an account here where it says sign up, and then you are going to shrink that link. Okay, you're gonna shorten that link on this website. Okay, so when you shorten that link, when people click on that link, okay, this website is gonna show them an advert. Okay, and once they watch the advert, this website is gonna split the earnings from the advert with you. Okay, so that's basically what's happening here. So per 1,000 views, you're gonna get paid $5. So you can see their rates here. Okay, guys, so basically what you're gonna do is you come to ok.io. let's say we come to the home page here. Okay, you create an account. After creating an account, so this is where you paste the link from that video you got from YouTube, and then you're gonna click this button here, okay, to shrink it. Okay, so this is the first website. Okay, so this website is legit. So after creating your account, you can see they have a lot of registered users, over 5 million links shortened, okay, over 4 million clicks. Okay, so you can go through all the details here to see what's happening. Okay, they even have referral bonus. Okay, you can earn 20% on referral or the referrals, okay, you bring to this website, guys. So this is it. So these guys will pay you your money, okay, the moment you have up to $5 in your account, guys. So the next website you can also use is this website here, shortfly.com. okay, so let's kind of like zoom that in. Let's kind of zoom that in. Okay, so you can see shrtfly.com. okay, so this is the website. This is another website. This one is gonna pay you more. Okay, if you see here, this website is gonna pay you $21, okay, per 1,000 views from Greenland. Okay, so you can see from the United States you're gonna get $8, okay, from Brunei, whatever country is that, okay, you're gonna get $14. Okay, so from New Zealand you're gonna get $6 per 1,000 views, okay, per 1,000 clicks. Okay, so these are the website, and this one also is gonna pay you the moment you earn up to $5. So you can see it here. It says, okay, PayPal minimum $5 okay, Paytm $5 minimum, okay, Payeer $5 wire transfer $500, and all those details. Okay, basically come to these websites and read very thoroughly to get all the details, okay, with regards to how to go about it. But basically once you come here, you would want to sign up. Okay, so you sign up on this website. If you click this button here, it's gonna show you where it says here sign up, and then you'll be able to sign up, guys. So these are the websites and these are the strategies, guys. So once you have shortened the link here, you're then gonna go to your forum and follow all the threads that are here and contribute positively. Okay, you create a thread, or you answer a question, and once you're done answering a question, then you embed the link of that video you grab from YouTube in the post. Okay, make sure you are not spamming. Okay, make sure your response is relevant to whatever question or whatever discussion you are following, and that way you're gonna get a lot of people replying. You're gonna get a lot of clicks on those links, and that's how you're gonna get a lot of money, okay, from this. Okay, so one way to make sure you make money from this is to make sure you do this on different niches. Okay, so you're not just focusing on the pet niche. Okay, so you grab a video from the pet niche, you do this, and then you go to the boxing niche, you go to the tech niche. Okay, you are all shortening those videos you get from YouTube using any of those two websites I showed you, and then you come to the different forums you probably would find out, and then contribute on those forums, and then share all those links on those platforms, and then that's how you get a lot of clicks on OK.io and shortfly.com, and you make all the money, guys. So this is it in this video. If you got value out of this video, make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, very important, so you know when we have new uploads, guys. So it's your guy Ken, and this is Brigxel Bees signing out.